Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add shake and directional blur on CapCut. So first import your clips and then zoom on each clip like this. And then after that, add a keyframe at the beginning and also the end of each clips. Like so, and then after that go to the second keyframe or the last keyframe and then set the opacity of each clip into 50 to have some fade out effect like so. Then after that, at the first keyframe, lift the clip up like this. Can do this for all of the clips. And then after that, move forward a bit and add another keyframe. And here at the second keyframe, put the clip down and repeat the steps for all of the clips. Okay. Okay, like that. And then on the last keyframe here of each clip, bring the clip down as in the second frame. The second keyframe, I mean. Okay, and it will look like this. But to add some directional blur, you need to go to video effects and then basic and find the slanted blur effect. Okay, this one's right here. Adjust the effect, the blur into 70 and also the rotation into 50. Okay, go back, click on a check icon and then place the effect in between the clips. So I'm going to first add the effect at the beginning of the clip, then copy it and then place it in between the clips. Okay, like that, and then copy it again. Do this for all of the clips. Okay, after that, here is the final result for the shake and directional blur. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.